When working in an environment that compromises your breathing air quality, you need personal protection that helps you focus on your task. The Draeger Explore 8000 PAPR offers protection that won't slow you down or get in your way. The helmet for hood and bump cap hold the hood in place, allowing for the visor to turn with your head. To attach the Tychem shoulder shroud hood to the helmet for hood or bump cap, first pull the air inlet all the way through the rubber gasket at the back. With the cinch fully extended, insert the hooded helmet or hooded bump cap into the hood. Slightly peel the protective visor film near the temple to see inside the hood. Next, find the blue clips on the sides of the hooded helmet or hooded bump cap, which have the Draeger logo on them. Identify the rounded edge and flat edge of the clips. Beside the temples of the visor lens of the hood, you'll find two slots. These slots have a square edge and a round edge, which attach to the blue clips on the helmet for hood or bump cap. First, slide the rounded side of the slot underneath the front, flatter edge of the blue clip. Then, press the squared side of the slot underneath the back, fully rounded edge of the blue clip. Leave the blue protective film on the lens until you are ready to use the hood. Before donning the hood, attach the blower system with hose to the helmet for hood or bump cap and turn it on. For full instructions on the use of the PAPR blower system, please consult the instructions for use. Once ready to wear, tighten the head suspension ratchet onto the wearer's head and drawstring the neck closed. For more information on the Draeger Explore 8500 headpieces, please contact Draeger.